Okay, so for question 4, we've got to figure out which one is bigger. If we think the one on the left is bigger, the crocodile's mouth or the inequality sign will face to the left because the crocodile's mouth is hungry, so he always buys the bigger thing. If we think the right hand bigger is, we'll do the crocodile's mouth the other way around. If we think they are equal, we will put an equal sign. So the best way to do this is just to figure out what the answer to both sides are. So when you times by 10, you move the digits one place left. So if you imagine some squares here, each digit's in its own square, and then you put some squares underneath, and if we're moving to the left, we'd have to have an extra square to our left. Decimal point doesn't move, don't forget. So if everything moved one place to the left, the 6 would go one place to the left, the 2 would go one place to the left, the 3 would go one place left. So you'd end up with 62.3. If you are dividing by 1,000, you move the digits 3 places, because there are 3 zeros, to the right. So we would need to have 6230. Let's draw some squares around that. You haven't got any squares. If there's an exam paper, you would have some squares. Put your decimal point in and then do a similar thing underneath. But because we're going 3 places to the right, we'll have 3 more squares on the end. So we can move everything. Decimal point doesn't move, don't forget. And then let's move everything 3 places to the right. So this 6 will go 1, 2, 3 into that column. And as long as that 6 is in the correct place, all the other digits will just follow on. So if it goes 6230 in the question, it goes 6230 in the answer. And so that answer is going to be 6.23. And now it's time to compare your answers. So on the left-hand side, we've got 62.3. On the right-hand side, we've got 6.23. And clearly, 62.3 is bigger than 6.23. Therefore, the crocodile's mouth, or to give it its correct name, is the inequality sign. That just means not equal. Equal means equals. Unequal means not equal. And that's a not equal sign because these two things are not equal. So the inequality sign, crocodile's mouth, faces towards the left because the left-hand side has a bigger answer.